Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your domain is registered with GoDaddy for example and you want to connect it to Squarespace, this video will walk you through step by step. So basically, we're gonna show you how to connect the Squarespace to GoDaddy website in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, we're gonna go and access the GoDaddy website. Just hit enter, and here it is, domain's name, website, and even hosting. Tap on this website here. Then log in using your email address and password to go or access the dashboard. As for now, we have to open the DNS management. Click Manage DNS for the domain you want to connect. Then go back to Squarespace domain settings. So we're gonna go back Squarespace on Google, connect using your email address and password, then tap on settings here, go all the way to domains and email, and go to domains here, use the domain I own, then paste the domain. Then Squarespace will provide a records and a CNAME record. So make sure you copy both of them and add records to GoDaddy website, pass the provided records exactly as shown. Remove any confliction records, delete the old A or CNAME records that may cause the conflict. All we're gonna do now is wait for the DNS propagation. Connection can take up to 24 to 48 hours. I'm talking here about 1 or 2 days, maybe 3. And that's it, that's the main idea. Do not change the name servers unless instructed. So keep it in mind. Avoid also the application the DNS record. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.